All right. So the previous video was going over the naming conventions, how we separate these videos out. So this video, I'm going to show you how to do the dark posts for the videos and, uh, why that's important. So we're going to be focusing on the cold campaign. Okay. So it's this campaign right here, cold campaign engagement. And I'm going to show you how to use the dark posts and how to do all this kind of stuff. Okay. And the audiences, I'll go through that as well. So just to see this campaign, this is already set up. So if we're going to add a new video to this campaign, you see we have the ad sets all here, right? We have all these different videos. So the first naming convention on these ad sets is master list. So this is that master list of targeting that we have, which is from Seamless.ai plus a few other lists that we've bought. It's cold. You see master list is cold. So it's outreach because we have the list, but they haven't seen our videos. So they're still cold. We can also create videos that are like targeting lookalike audiences and put this in the same cold campaign. That would be perfectly fine to put it here. Okay. And we could actually take all of these videos here that we're showing to the master list, and we could add the cold list to them, or the targeting list. So like mortgage brokers interested in Russell Brunson, Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk, right? And that's our cold audience. And we could be sending these videos out to that bigger cold audience. So we have a bigger audience pool. Okay. But that's more in the strategy thing. But I'm just kind of saying this so you can understand where this is, why this is here. And this whole audience, these videos, we only want them to be seen by people who've never heard of us before, right? Completely cold, right? So we have that separate. Okay. So let me go into the ad set just to show you. So I talked about 5 forces in the last one. So let's just go in here. Okay. So here's what we have. This is our targeting list. And these are people that we're excluding. So we have exclusions, people who have general retargeting that visit our website, who have visited our VSL. And we're excluding anyone who's watched 25% of any of our cold videos. Okay. So that's any of these videos here, right? I've created an audience. So when you add a new video, you would just add it to this audience list, right? And I could show you how to do that here in a second. Okay. In fact, let me just show you that right now. So it's done and taken care of. I'm going to duplicate this page. Since it's live, this takes forever. Okay, so just to show you this audiences, so we're going to go over here to audiences. We'll try as it's loading. Okay, so you see we have all these audiences, and this is where we put all the audiences in here. Okay, so we're going to scroll down and find our, we put a filter on here, maybe video. Let me see if I can do video. Here we go. Okay. So as I scroll down the page, we have this 25% watching a cold video. And this is last updated on May 2nd, 2019, right? So when you update this, just put the date in there. Okay. So all you do is just go to edit here if you're going to add a video. And here are all the videos here. So you'll see, and you'll see why the naming convention is important. You just go to edit and make sure you select your page, Peak Mortgage Leads. Okay, and the check boxes are the videos that are being monitored for this. So you see how these all have cold here? This is that file name I was telling you about. That's important, right? So having that in there. And so we can just keep all these videos that say cold in this audience. We don't ever need to take these videos out of this audience, by the way. And not, at least for right now. So we have cold. This one's in there cold because I uploaded it wrong. See how cold's at the end, right? See how that comes up and cold's at the end. So it's much easier to put cold at the front of the file name instead of the end. Okay, so those are all our cold videos. All right, so we can scroll through, see if there's any more cold videos. I don't see any. Okay. But see how the file's named in here? Cold, market vid 1, cold, 5 forces clip. Right, so it's very clear what video it is, and we can always correspond that to the spreadsheet and all that kind of stuff. So if you're going to add a new video, you would just go and find the next one that says cold, and you'd add it and hit confirm and just say update audience. All right, since I didn't update it, I'm not going to do any changes there. All right, so that takes care of what this is. Right, so what that does is it excludes anyone who watches those videos, and they're going to go to our warm audiences, which is good, right? Because we don't want to be spending our money on paying for people that have already watched our stuff, and we're going to send them over to our warm list. So how do you make these cold video posts? So what we're going to do here is when you have the video and you're ready to upload it, you're going to go over here to page posts, right? As it loads, page posts. And you see these are all these different page posts. All you're going to do is you are going to do create post. You're going to go to video. We're going to select video. Now I've uploaded all these videos here. You can do it too as much. So you're just going to import the video from wherever you want. I don't know if you can see my screen, but it pops up in the folder. You go into your cold folder and you upload that video because we're doing cold specifically. Okay. So I'm just going to show you. All right. So whatever, you're going to upload that video, and let's just select this video right here, cold proprietary targeting. Okay. So let's assume this just got uploaded and that's the video there. Right. So we're going to hit continue, and so you can write a little post text on it just so you can see the name. So you can just do cold, and this is proprietary targeting, right? You can just put that post text there. And what you're going to say is only use this post for an ad. And then you would just create post, right? That would be all you would do. And what that does is that allows you to only use that cold video, right? You've uploaded the video and you created the dark post. So when I hit create, I'm not going to do it because I've already created these. But now you've created the dark posts around those videos. And you can see all the different stats of all the videos and stuff here. If you want, you can scroll through this and see all this stuff, right? From all the different pages, some of them for previous stuff. But that makes the dark post. And that allows you to use that video for the ad. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. So we're in our thing. We're in our 5 forces, okay? We're going to go over to ads. So we've set up this audience. We've set it. This audience is, by the way, this audience stays the same, right? This doesn't change. This is the same for any ad set. All we're doing is changing the name of the ad set and the video in the ad. Okay, so all these ad sets have the same exact targeting on them, right? You can see by their name, except the only thing that's different is the video in the ad. So here we go. We go here to add, and I'm going to edit this. So here's what we're going to do: is we are going to go to we have create ad, and we're not going to use an existing post. We're going to hit create ad. And we're going to say video. I'm just going to clear the video for now. And I'm not going to save this, but I'm just going to say select video. And it should have our list of all our videos here. Right? And sometimes it can be buggy, so you might need to reload and refresh and things like that. But these are all our dark posts, all of our dark videos here. So what you would do, you could also upload the video here as well. You could upload it if you'd like. You can do that. But all you do is you just go in here and you pick your video. So I would do cold, and we're on the 5 forces. So I'd find cold, 5 forces, wherever that's at. So I may need to update this page just so it shows more, because it can be kind of buggy sometimes. All right. But I'd go find cold, 5 forces. I maybe could search for them, 5 forces. Here we go. All right, so it'd be uploaded on there. So you just find the video that corresponds to your cold video, and you see the naming convention here, cold. So that's how you're going to be looking at these videos. All right, see how it has that cold first, cold, cold. That's why it's important to put cold first. You just find the cold 5 forces, and you can add that. Or you can upload the video directly there. And then you can write your text in here and all that, and you can put the link that you want people to go to. Make sure your pixel's set up. I'm just going to discard that draft. So that is how you set up the cold campaign, right? And then, of course, you launch it and all that kind of stuff. So that's how you set up the videos for a cold campaign. So the next one up is I'm going to show you how to do the warm campaign so you know how to do that. All right, thanks, and let me know if you have any questions, but that's how you set up a cold campaign.